Hello everyone, welcome to my 22nd tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In this tutorial we will see how to creating a walkthrough video in Lumion. So let's get started. So first step is from the build mode, click on the movie mode option in the right side of menu button. Step 2, in the movie mode you can creating a clips and add the render images and add videos you already have made this. This is the already you adding the video. Then click on a frame to add a clips. Click on record to start making a video. Step 3, creating a scene. Position your camera to create your scene by using focal length, horizontal eye level, then edit eye level, set eye level from 1.6 meter, then focal length by 28 to 32 mm, position your camera, you can capture the first scene by clicking on camera icon here. Move the scene by using keys and move the camera. Add another frame here. I am adding another one frame. Then I click a play button icon to confirm a clip is good like. You can repeat the process, complete the clip. Step 4, adjust the scene as your requirement. If your clip is moved too fast, then change its duration of time. I can change it by 23 seconds. You can also delete the scene by clicking a trash icon here. You can also scroll left and scroll right button. Here is my render clip. To complete the clip, click on checkmark button. Then step 5, change the style and add the effect. You have the custom style here. You can change also a realistic interior, drawn, daytime, night, watercolor, color sketch, etc. I can simply use custom style. Then adding a effect, that is sun effect, weather, sky. I can change the sky by sky and clouds. Here is the changing the position of clouds, then cloud speed, then high clouds, then I changing the cloud brightness, then I go back, camera position. Here I can select 2-point perspective, then I go back again. I play this clip once. You can also have copy the effect to another clip by copying and pasting the effects. Here is the menu option. Here is the edit and file option. You click on a copy and paste option to have copy and paste. Step 6. Render the clips. If you want to render a clip, click on the render clip option, or if you want to entire movie, then click on a entire movie render option. I click on a render a movie. Here is the quality of your movie. I can choose, then and click on the render size HD or full HD. I can select HD. You can give it is a name. By the defined location, then save. Once you start render, you can see the process of rendering. To make this 10 to 5 clips, Lumion's render 100 frames. It looks more than 5 times to complete the render. It takes 34 minutes of time here. So I will wait the 34 minutes. Here is our render is almost done. It takes to 35 minutes to render it. Here is our final output ready. Opening the folder and see this render clip. So here is the 33 minutes of rendering time and 33 seconds of clip. You can see the rendering clip. You can also check the quality of your render. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.